Mr. Macaroni is here.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Macaroni. I skipped right over you. It's because you're so quiet in the back. 150148, State of Kansas versus Scott Shea.
Okay, please court, Your Honor, the state appears by Elizabeth Sweeney Reader, my county attorney.
Judge, Mr. Shea, the person in custody, also appears to be his attorney, David Magaro.
Mr. Macaroni, we're on for your motion today.
Judge, we had a trial setting in a couple of weeks. I have realized recently that I was not going to be prepared, so I filed a motion to continue. Number one is there's still ongoing investigation that we are doing on behalf of Mr. Shea that is not complete at this time. Additionally, we have requested a lot of other information from the KPI related to DNA report. Ms. Sweeney Reader and I came to an agreement on an order, and the court signed off on that recently, but obviously I don't have that information yet.
That's a DNA issue, correct?
Yes, Judge. That is correct. And obviously, once I get it, I'm going to need to turn it over to my expert. I think their turnaround time will be pretty quick, so I'm not asking for a lengthy delay. I think the court maybe mentioned a June date. I think we'll be ready by then.
I'm gonna do my best.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Shea, did you and Mr. Magriel have a chance to talk about this?
Yes.
Okay. And you understand that from the time of your arraignment, the state has to get you to trial within 180 days. But if you delay the case for any reason, that time does not count as part of that 180 days. And this delay, since you're asking for it, is considered to be caused by you. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Are you willing to accept that this time will not count as part of the 180 days? Okay, so basically what you're doing is you're waiving your right to have speedy trial. Is that right? And did you have, can you answer out loud for me?
I'm sorry.
Answer out loud for
Yes.
me. Okay. Did you have enough time to discuss this with Mr. Magriel?
Somewhat, yes.
Do you need a few more minutes to talk to him?
No.
Are you sure?
I mean, I'd like to talk to him after court.
But not about this speedy
Not about
trial
this.
thing? Okay, yeah. You two can talk all you want after court. I just want to make sure you understand that we're not going to get you to trial as quickly as a result.
Right.
Mr. Magriel or I called him, or he called me, I can't remember, about the motion to continue. And when he did that, I said it's going to be, I think I said June or July, I may have just said June. So I'm going to reset your case today as quickly as I can, but let's see what I've got here. Any objection from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Court's going to grant the defendant's motion to continue. This time will not be assessed against the state. And I had you all set
That's good
for 3 days. Do we still think that's right? If you're, is there a possibility that you're both calling experts? That might extend it past the 3 days? I don't know that it's going to make a difference in scheduling for me, to be truthful, but, so don't.
Do you think you'll go the full 3 days?
That I'll go the full 3. I think that 1 day for jury and then 1 day for my evidence.
I mean, we may have some evidence to put on. I don't think it's going to take more than a day.
Let's see, you said June. I can do it June 14th. Oh, you know what? That's not my week. Hold on. Let's go off the record for just a minute. Let me call Judge Montgomery and see if I can have that one.
I would be available then.
I'm available.
Okay, let me call the other judge and see if I can get we only have one courtroom with the jury box, so let me see if I can get it.
Yes, Judge.
Hey, this is, I need a favor. I need to know if I can have a jury trial the week, June 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th. That's your week. Does he care? Are you sure? I've got an in-custody gentleman. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. All right, bye. Okay, let's go back on the record. June 14th.
That one should be best.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to go ahead and set you through the 17th, and if you don't need it, that's okay. We'll begin at 9 a.m. on the 14th. advance. Council, let's have a status conference if you're both available. June 2nd at 9:30. Oh, Mr. Magriel, you probably can't do that. What about at 1:30 that afternoon?
That's better, thank you.
Okay. June 2nd at 1:30. All right, if you need me between now and then, holler, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, thank you.
Judge, Mr. Shea asked this question. I just wanted to confirm. I think we were set for the same scheduling on the 7th. I assume that's off.
I will take that off for you. Yeah, on April the 7th?
Correct.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and take that off unless you want me to keep it for some other reason.
I don't believe so.
Okay, no, I'll take you off that day.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Are you just here with Mr. Davis?
Pardon?
Are you here with Mr. Davis or waiting for him?
I'm waiting for Mr. King to come over.
Okay, I'm gonna see some other folks
Okay.
who might be yours,
Okay.
not too distant future. You ready?
Yes, Ross.
16-0-13, State of Kansas versus Lee McCoy.
State by Elizabeth Sweeney, Reader, Miami County Attorney.
Lee McCoy in person, Your Honor, in custody and by his counsel, Richard Fisher Jr.
Status, Mr. Fisher?
Judge, we are still in discussions with plea negotiations with Ms. Sweeney Reader, and for those reasons, Your Honor, we would ask the court for one more continuance, Your Honor. We can have about maybe 3 weeks. We may, I'm not saying, we may have it resolved, but I'm not sure at this point in time, Your Honor.
April 21st. 1:45.
April 21st, Your Honor, 1:45?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna show you for plea that day.
Yes.
All right. Rick, is Austin in here?
Yes, Your Honor. Judge, I'm upstairs, but I haven't called my 130s. I have a diversion agreement with me, so I need to go through it with him.
Okay.
So I don't know if he's here or not. I'll check and see.
Do you, if he's here, I'll take care of it now.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I've got the diversion. Actually, go through. Austin? Oh, he's here, Judge.
Do you want to go through it? You want to go on the hall and go through it with him?
You want to go through the diversion? Judge, we could call it. I think we could just ask for a continuance, and I'll go through with him today, and we'll submit it today.
I was going to say, if
This is me, Rick.
Not at all, Your Honor.
will it start today?
Yeah.
Okay.
16 CR 5, State of Kansas versus Austin Hood.
May it please the court, Your Honor, the state appears by Elizabeth Sweeney, Reader, Miami County Attorney.
Your Honor, Austin Hood appears in person and by her counsel, Richard Fisher Jr.
Diversion check, Mr. Fisher.
Judge, we have the diversion agreement. I need to go through that with Mr. Hood, Judge, and I will go through that with him today, Your Honor. I would advise the court, I'm upstairs for 1:30 hearings and at 2 o'clock, but I will go through this with him today, Judge, and we would ask the court for continuance, and if he approves it, I'll have him executed today, and we'll submit it to the county attorney's office for their execution for signatures.
Any objection to a continuance?
No, Your Honor.
This time will not be assessed against the state. April 21st, what did I just say, 1:45?
Yes, Your Honor.
1:45.
Just we anticipate, if Austin's agreeable with it today, he'll sign it today, and we'll submit it.
Right, and Mr. Hood, one of the things you're going to see in that agreement is you're waiving your right to a jury trial. That should be in the agreement, so please spell it out, okay? As long as it's filed after that. All right.
Thank you. Maybe we'll